My name is Joel Armistead. We live at Adairville, Kentucky. I'm the middle part of Armistead Farms. I farm with my dad, and I also have one of my sons that farm with me full time. We started looking at irrigation back in 2007 pretty serious. Commodity prices were up pretty good, and we just suffered through another drought, and we started taking a more serious look at irrigation. We had the availability of being able to draw water out of a stream that goes around the farm instead of having to drill a well. So we started searching out what kind of pivots were available and the features on each one, and one of the things that got my attention about the T&L is what I consider to be the big safety factor, and that was that it was hydraulic drive. There's no high voltage electric components or wiring going out across the structure of the pivot. I like that a lot. We use a lot of three-phase current and have a lot of electric motors, and I have a great deal of respect for the voltage that is associated with three-phase, and know that a lot of times you don't get a second chance if you make a mistake and touch the wrong thing. So combination of safety and the convenience of a close dealer is what steered us toward T&L. We put in our first pivot in 2008. We suffered through another drought in 2008, and we had corn yields under that pivot that ran all the way up and barely over 300 bushel to the acre. Yet when you went outside of the water pattern, those yields struggled even to hit 100 bushel to the acre. So it didn't take very long to figure out that if we could make another pivot fit on some more ground, that was going to be a good money-making deal for us. So we plotted out 2 concrete pads where we could put in a towable T&L pivot. We usually start with the corn, irrigating it with the towable, and when we get it finished up, we'll move the towable out of the cornfield into the no-till soybeans that was planted after wheat, and end up being pretty close on our time on being able to water the double crop soybeans and getting a good yield response out of them.